We just bought Alakazam EX collection. There are 4 booster packs inside. Let's open it later. Apparently, later means now. Let's open the first pack. Ooh! Basic Energy, Shelder, Bellsprout, Horsey, Nidoran, Hypno, Poliwrath, Pidgeot, Golduck, Drowsy, and Lito. Let's open another pack. Okay, the Energy, Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Antique Dome Fossil, Pidgeot, Omanite, Tauros, Koffing, Machoke, Dragonite. So we're now on our third pack. Energy, Abra, Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Omanite, Tauros, Kadabra, Cloyster, have this, Growlithe, oh, Venusaur EX, last pack, Energy, Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Weepinbell, Kadabra, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Kadabra, oh, Charmander, and Mr. Mime.